Hi! Welcome to Gemcore. Napapaisip ba kayo kung paano kami nakakapag-produce ng quality at reliable na switchgears? Hi, I'm Engineer Dave at ngayon ipapasyal namin kayo sa loob ng aming planta para makita ang mga bawat detalye ng aming manufacturing process. Inside the plant, we use machines ranging from Amada, Dura, Muratech, known for their reliability at good output. And per section, meron tayong mga quality controller to check the output during the process. Before we start our process, we make sure na ang ating mga operators ay naka-complete PPE at ang ating mga machines ay well-maintained for their operations. Dito kinakat and punch ang metal sheet gamit ang ating CNC turret machines. High speed na siya with intelligent control, kaya consistent, efficient, at precise ang output. For our next process, let's proceed with the bending process. So we have here our state-of-the-art machines from Yura bending machines and the Amada HRB bending machine. And this machine right here is very first in the Philippines actually. May sensor-based system na siya that automatically adjusts the bending angle. With the technically equipped na personnel, makakasigurado tayo na uniform ang bending result. Next is the fabrication process, which is the heart of the panel building process. Dito pinagsasama lahat ng raw materials from different machines and outputs nila and transforming it into a precise built enclosure. Sila din ang naglalagay ng backbone ng ating enclosures, jumping wire connection bolt, at buffing ng ating metal surface. And for our next step, we have here our powder coating facility where protection and quality finish comes together. Ang process ay nag-i-start sa chemical metal treatment, isang critical na process to remove impurities, oils, and contaminants para ma-ensure na kumapit ang powder coat sa metal surface. During powder coating, we make sure na pantay-pantay ang pagkaka-coat at for oven, kailangan nakaset ng tama ang timer at temperature. Dito tayo nagsisimula ng ating interior assembly which is sa bus bearing section. Kung makikita nyo, meron kaming dalawang bus bearing machine kung saan dito kinakat, binibend at pinapunch ang ating mga bus bars. Simultaneously, ginagawa rin natin ang interior sa upper part ng aming bus bearing section. Optimize ang aming workflow at mas assembled ang aming mga interiors, making sure na papasok kayo sa inyong project timelines. And for our next process, we have here the wiring section. Here at Gemcore, we do it with confidence and neatly para mas organized at dahil trained ang aming mga electricians. Dito sa final assembly, binubuo ang lahat ng components from interior up to the frame itself. At hindi lang ito basta-basta pag-assemble. We make sure na quality at high standards ang ipoproduce namin dito sa planta. Bago makarating sa inyo ang aming mga switchgears or panel boards, dumadaan muna ito sa aming quality assurance or quality checking team kung saan nagko-conduct sila ng factory acceptance test from IR test, continuity test, at other testings upon request ng aming client. Ngayon nakita nyo na kung paano kami gumawa ng panel boards at switchgears dito sa Gemcore. Kung gusto nyo ng power solution provider, just type yes sa comment section or slide into our DMs. Here at Gemcore, let's build something powerful together.